How to use Ggives on Lazada with Gcash. The first thing before we go deep into the tutorial, make sure that you're currently running or using the updated version of your Lazada app. Just immediately go to your Play Store and then just look for Lazada, and you should be able to know if your Lazada needs an updating because there's gonna be an update button that will be visible there. So just choose an update and it will automatically be updated by itself and you're good to go. Now for you to be able to use Gcash or Ggives for your Lazada purchases is you will be able to see that option once you will be placing any items or orders to your cart. So let's just choose on, for example, right here. Now let's try to add this item to our cart and let's head directly to our current cart. Now, once you are currently on your cart, just immediately go to the checkout button. And if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see Gcash e-wallet under select payment method. Now choose on Gcash e-wallet and place order. And from here, just enter your appropriate recipient's name, phone number, and all these necessary details right here. Now, once everything is filled out, you will now then be redirected to your Gcash application for you to be able to input your 4-digit PIN. And after that, you should be able to use your Ggives from Gcash to be used as one of the payment methods from your Lazada purchases.